when I go to work, I can just transfer, email the file to my, I'm always updated with work. So what's the features that's most useful for you? The S Note. The S Note. Okay, thank you so much.
So we would like to ask you a few questions regarding technology and offer. So what gadgets do you primarily and just cell phone? What brand? Or Philippine made? I just what can you say about today's technology and how this will affect the youth?
It's very fast. The technology right now is very fast. And somehow it affects the lives of the young people right now. For me, I would say that we should guide our young people in using the gadgets. Sometimes they are not considering just only observing their friends, they're just only playing with their gadgets. But I think the adults in their lives, they are the ones who have to guide them for the proper use of these kinds of gadgets. There's nothing wrong with the gadgets, because it just only enhances your communication with one another. But what is not good is just only meant just only for leisure, and sometimes you forget to bring your responsibility with being a child.
Okay, thank you, sister.
Sure.
Ako si Ronan. I'm from De La Salle University. And I want to know what phone are you using?
Sony Xperia Z.
Bakit Sony?
Sony. Why Sony? Why not Apple? I'm an Apple fan, so isa na rin sa category ko. And then, also yung back niya is compared with other phones, glass. So, hindi siya madaling lumuma. Tapos, since I think this is a dragon tail glass, so in terms of patibayan, matibay din siya compared mo sa with the plastic. So yun lang, since Android din siya, 1.4, and what else? IP57, so waterproof by 1 meter for 30 minutes.
That's a good phone.
Yeah, so buy it instead of an S4.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mardel.
Hello.
I'm from LaSalle. I'm taking up information management, and I just want to ask you what type of gadgets are you?
I have an iPhone, iPad, and this Samsung.
So we are on Apple. What made you decide to buy it?
By Apple. Actually, Apple is very good integrating their computers to their phones, to their iPads. Anything that I do from my computer goes to the iPhone. I can control my computer from my iPhone. I can control my computer from my iPad. Anything that I purchase from Apple, it goes to all the systems. I use the computer, the programs that they have there for editing. That's what you guys are doing. So it's very user friendly. Very user friendly.
Okay, so that's it. Thank you. Yes, Rachel. Yeah. Just want to ask some questions.
What gadget are you using now?
I'm using an iPhone 5.
What made you decide to buy that gadget?
I had an iPod before. It's just more convenient for me to have the entire
Entire
because there's iPad.
Nice.
And at that time, I think Siri was 10 megapixels camera. I like the idea that I could just take nice pictures each time I have my SLR.
You're using every Apple.
I don't have an iPad, but I don't think I need that.
Thank you so much.
No problem. I'm from LaSalle. I'm currently taking up.
I'd just like to ask you what kind of gadget are you using?
Gadgets, we have iPhones, iPad.
So I see you're an Apple fan. So what
Not,
made you?
I'm not really an Apple fan.
Okay, so what made
Just
you?
don't have enough choice.
Oh, why is that?
Why is that? It's by choice of most of our family members. If I have
if I have my choice, I'd say Samsung. It's much easier to put on my files, music, watch movies, stuff like that. With Apple, there's a lot of restrictions. There's just tons of things that you need to do. But yeah, Apple's fine. Yeah. Thank you.
Hi, bro. Hey. Hi. How are you? Hey. Yes. What are you using? I'm actually using the Samsung Note 2 and GTN 7100 is the national version. So I'm using it for my daily work. So it's a very big screen, 5.5-inch AMOLED display, and it has multi-window function. So I can Facebook and what else? I can do. Check out my pictures at the same time. Great. Check it out, man. It's really nice. And so I can look at pictures and check my Facebook at the same time. So it's a great device for multitasking, and it's been a great companion in my daily work and in my daily routine.
So why Samsung? Why not Apple?
For me, Apple has its limitations. Again, start with the screen, for example. The screen has there's like 5 inches. It's about a 5-inch screen. With Apple, even with the i5, it's just slightly smaller only with the 4-inch. So I feel I'm limited with that. I feel I'm limited with what I'm seeing. So at least with the Note 2, I even get to use my pen and write down my notes and scribble down and things like that. Apple as well is kind of limited as far as the software it can use, and like with the Samsung, for example, with Android, there's a lot of more apps available for it to be used here. So it's more flexible, unlike with Apple, it's kind of fixed unless you have to resort to third-party apps. But for me, it just the Note 2 just suits me better. I mean, I used an iPhone before and I struggled with it. Yeah, I struggled with it. I struggled with how to use it. It's like learning a new language, so it's quite difficult. But yeah, so I'm pretty much sticking to Samsung.
Thanks, bro.
Alright, I have some questions for you. What gadgets are you using?
I have 2 phones, one company phone, one personal. My company phone is iPhone, and my personal phone is Nokia Lumia.
Why did you choose Nokia?
It was given to me, but I enjoyed using it because it's simple, it's what do you call that, easy to use, and it has good Microsoft, what do you call that, integration. It has good Microsoft integration. So what, for example, you can work using your phone, using the Microsoft Office.
Cool. What features did you like, or do you like of your iPhone?
iPhone, the app, and then Lumia more on the technical side, or parang more on Skype siya, diba? Kasi they own the Skype, diba? Lumia. So, ganda yung Skype niya. Perfect for work.
Okay.
And school.
Okay. Alright.
Ako na siya.